it could be done in Kathua, I'm sure it could be done elsewhere also. The only thing is little more attention to the detail. And these acts which have been talked about by IG Crime, you are invariably going to fail if you don't take care of each minute detail. You have seen the checklist. If there are 50 points to be ticked on the checklist, and if you say, I've done 45, maybe in terms of the score that you have achieved, I would say you still deserve to be rated as excellent, because you have scored 45 out of 50, not a bad score at all. But unfortunately, when it goes to court, those 45 score is going to be equal to 0. Why? Because those 5 points which remain, only those 5 points would be taken up by the defense, debated upon, and the court would be forced to not to give you credit for the score of 45, but to snub you for not scoring the rest of 5 points which you should have. So therefore, these are the cases where we are constrained to score 50 out of 50. Score has to be 100%. It can't be 45 out of 50. And I'm sure you got the capability to do it. And I'm sure whatever manner and wherever we lack, we have the capability to fill those gaps. I already had a serious level of discussions with IG Crime. That is why he's taken pains to organize such important workshop where all the SHOs from Jammu Zone are sitting as participants along some of their SDPOs. He's brought down a team from NCB to assist us and to throw more light on the subject in a very demonstrative manner, where they would also show you the procedures and demos, how to go about the investigation and the minor and the minutest details of investigation of these cases. In terms of certain equipments which we do not have and which we are required to have, I assure you that whatever is needed would be provided. There is no compromise on that. I've already done that size. I put Shridhar on that job. I said, find out the details of weighing machines, what kind of weighing machines are available and what is the cost and all. That costing part and the source and the other rest of the things that have already been worked out, I would straightway said, let's go ahead. It stands, you take it that it stands already approved. But now the thing is how to make use of them, how to keep them, how to maintain them. All those things would be seen after you get to see the rest part of the presentation by the team from NCB. Drugs as such are playing a havoc with our society. I keep on telling people that when militancy was about to fail, about to die in Punjab, they played with the lives of the youths of Punjab. Pakistan started sending drugs, all kinds, in a big way. And today, if you see that what has happened there, you would realize that perhaps J&K is also almost following the same suit. We are following the same path. Pakistan has started trying the same tactics here. You name a drug and that is being transported, that is being sent here. And today the number of drug abusers is rising every day. So this is the time to put a check, time to put a break, but that will not be able to do unless we block the supply chain. Unless we create a dent on ones who are dealing in this trade, unless we are able to check their activities. And the best way would be to have successful investigation and prosecution of these cases. So I'm happy that all of you have come. I'm sure IG Jammu is always focusing on quality investigation. I've seen certain improvements taking place in certain areas. I'm sure these three areas also would be taken up by him with same kind of zeal and dedication. And he would certainly be able to organize every district in such a way that when the crime reviews are taken, I would suggest that the crime reviews must start with these cases first. These are one of the most important cases which we need to health of our society. And these are the cases, if not handled well today, the results are going to be disastrous tomorrow. So therefore we need to be very careful about investigation of these cases. Thank you very much for all the officers for the participation, and thanks once again to the crime branch headed by Mr. Manish. Hello. And assisted by his team. Come up for discussion not once but on many occasions with him and with the IG Jammu. So he has done full justice to the topic in a very brief manner, touching upon all the details which were very important for our SHOs and IOs to know. So thank you very much, Pranish, for your beautiful presentation that you made before the audience. My dear colleagues and a team from NCB, officers from NCB, thank you very much for sparing your time to come over to interact and to speak about the subject with our officers who are primarily responsible for handling these cases in the field. One thing which I've not been very happy about is, as Manish brought out during his presentation, our seizures have gone up like anything. Our number of arrests has gone up, and that is one part which we feel very happy about, that we have done a lot. But when it comes to creating an impact through that act is finally, how good is the investigation? And whether we've been able to achieve the desired result of finally having the conviction against the accused. So that is one area which I'm not happy about, and I'm sure my same feeling would be shared by the other colleagues from my department and especially IG Jammu. And that is where we would like to impress upon our officers, our SHOs and other gazetted officers who are commanding